We're here with HyperX at CES 2018, and we have a really cool product. You know, everybody has these RGB modules for DDR4, but one of the big things, one of the big issues is they get out of sync. You can't get out of it. There's just no way, and that kind of just messes up the flow and look of your build. Well, this year, HyperX is going to be releasing their Predator DDR4 sync modules, and these are really, really cool for the fact that you can see they're completely in sync, right? But they have an IR chip in here. So this first module right here is your master module, and it communicates with the rest of them. So we'll put this little card in here, which, there we go. And hopefully, move it a little bit. There you go. You can see now they're out of sync. So that's how that module works. And this is really cool because, again, with the other kits that are out there, they come out of sync just like this, and this just not look good. You know what I mean? So what you can do is you just pull it out, and we're completely back in sync again. Really, really cool. Again, the kit looks awesome as well. Now, no word yet on pricing or capacity or speed, but it's part of the Predator line, so you can kind of guess what you're going to get right there. It should be available in early Q2 of this year.